Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financiable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Wise app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app, and now once you open it you will be able to see the interface of the Wise apps on the screen. So you can see there is a get started option at the bottom of this section or page or the interface. So let's tap on the get started. And you can see there is a 3 option in here: login, register, and sign in with Apple. So if you want to sign up, then simply tap on the register, and you can see it is asking us for our email address. So you need to enter your email address over here and tap on the continue, and you need to complete your formalities. And once you verify yourself, you will be able to create your account, sign up, or register successfully. So let me close it for now. And you can see there is another option. So if you want to sign off through your Apple ID, then just tap on the sign in with Apple on in the screen. So once you tap on it, it will ask you to verify yourself. So let me verify myself first. So now you can see once you verify yourself, you will be redirected to the another section where you can see it is asking us to complete more formalities, which I have said before. So you can see there is 2 options: personal account and another is business account. So let me choose personal account for now. Now choose the reason. So once you choose the reason from here, simply tap on the continue, and let's continue again. Let me enter my phone number here, send code. So once you complete all the things, so now you can see there is written this phone number is already in use, which basically means I have already created my account in here. So you can see there is a 2 option in here: yes, I recognize this email, no, I don't recognize this email. So let me tap on the yes, I recognize this email, and let me tap yes, I can access this email. And it will ask you for your login ID and password. Basically this is how you can sign up your Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.